This is impressive. There's a lot of water coming down here. Holy Ada.
Welcome to my channel Live on Alberta. My name is Carrie and I love hiking. My videos will show you all aspects of the trail and the unparalleled beauty of our Canadian Rockies. Today we'll be doing a nice little hike up to Upper Kananaskis Falls. The trail is 9.8 kilometers out and back with an elevation gain of 295 meters.
Well, today we're here in Kananaskis Country and we're going to be hiking up to Upper Kananaskis Falls. We're parked here at the North Interlakes parking lot. The temperature is 14 degrees Celsius.
We saw this little cutie at the beginning of our hike.
And here we go.
I'm hiking with my sister and Bev today.
I don't think I've ever seen the lake this calm. Well, we've got a really nice trail here to start with. Lots of people out here today. At 0.7K, we've got an intersection here. And we're gonna go down and check out the lake. Just look at that. Love all this driftwood here. So the main trail is just up there. Just gonna walk along the rocks here for a little bit. Look at this. I think right here, we're gonna head up to get back on the trail. There's Fossil Falls, way in the back there, on my list to do. Back on the main trail. Okay, at this side, we take a left. So this trail is gonna have a little bit of up and down all the way along it. I knew it wouldn't take long to find my sister because she has to take 1,000 pictures. Okay, so we're gonna head back up to the trail. Some pretty big trees here. At 2.2K, you get to this beautiful opening here. Heading away from the lake, path is a little rocky and a little rooty. Okay, we're 2.6K, and now we're into the rocky portion of this hike. My sister said this is just crazy gorgeous, and I would have to agree with her. Look at the moss on the tree here. Coming to pretty much the end of the rocky section. And voila, the lake. Here we're looking up at Trail Ridge. We're 3.5K in so far. We're just over 3.9K, and Point Backcountry Campground's that way. We're gonna go this way, but we're gonna go have a look-see at the campground and maybe have a quick little break before we get to the falls. And there's site 1. Site 2. We're gonna go in here, have a sit down on the tent pad. Okay, we just had our lunch here. Now we're just gonna head back and take a quick little jaunt up to the falls. We're on our way to the falls now, which isn't too far. We're just over 5.1K, and we're going to turn left to go to the falls. This is impressive. There's a lot of water coming down here. Holy Ada. And now we're gonna head her back. Yeah, we just got a little uphill here, which isn't too bad. Those falls were quite impressive. I didn't think there would be nearly that much water coming over them. So glad I came out here today. So, when it's all said and done, gonna be just a little over 10K. Probably about 300 meters in elevation gain. All the way along. A little bit of up, a little bit of down. Those falls are really powerful. I didn't think there'd be that much water coming over there. And the other thing is that lake was so calm this morning. It was unbelievable. So yeah, you want to do a nice little family hike? Hike up to Upper Kananaskis Falls. You won't regret it. And one last look back, because we're going to be in the trees here pretty quick. This is the lake I'm used to with this wind.
Were you eating dust?
Yeah. And we're back. Woohoo!
Thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and a comment would be greatly appreciated. In our next video, we'll be at Sunshine Village in Banff National Park, hiking Sunshine Meadows. If you would like to see more hiking videos, subscribe to my channel Live on Alberta, where I feature over 120 hikes. Cheers.